Tonight we're going to read the story The Gruffalo. A mouse took a stroll through the deep, dark wood. A fox saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. "Where are you going, little brown mouse? Come, have a lunch in my underground house." "It's terrible kind of you, fox, but no, I'm going to have lunch with the Gruffalo." "A Gruffalo? What a Gruffalo?" "A Gruffalo? Why didn't you know? He has terrible tosh and a terrible claws and a terrible teeth and a terrible jaw." "Where are you meeting him?" "Here, by the rocks. And his favorite food is roasted fox." "Roasted fox? I'm off," said the fox. "Goodbye, little mouse," and away he sped. "Silly old fox, and doesn't he know there's no such thing as a Gruffalo?" Went the mouse through the deep dark wood. That's the mouse. And out to the mouse, and the mouse looked good. "Where you going, little brown mouse?" There's an owl. "Come, have a tea in my tea-top house." "It's dreadfully nice of you, owl, but no, I'm going to have lunch with the Gruffalo." "A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo?" "A Gruffalo? Why didn't you know? He has knobby knees and torn-out toes, and his poisonous was on the end of his nose." "Where are you meeting him?" "Here, by the stream. And his favorite food is owl ice cream." "Owl ice cream? Toot-toot! Goodbye, little mouse," and away owl flew. Silly old owl, doesn't he know there's no such thing as a Gruffalo? One went on the mouse through the deep dark wood. A snake saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. "Where are you going, you little brown mouse? Come for a piece in my log file house." "It's wonderfully good of you, snake, but no, I'm having a feast with the Gruffalo." "A Gruffalo? What a Gruffalo?" "A Gruffalo? Why didn't you know? His eyes are orange, his tongue is black, he has a powerful pickles all over his back." "Where are you meeting him?" "Here, by the lake. And his favorite food is scrambled snake." "I scrambled snake? It's time I heard. Goodbye, little mouse," and away snake slid. Silly old snake, doesn't he know there's no such thing as a Gruffalo? "But who is this creature with a terrible claw and a terrible teeth in his terrible jaw? He has knobby knees and turn-out toe, and his poisonous wart at the end of his nose. His eyes are orange, his tongue is black, he has purple prickles all over his back. Oh, help! Oh, favorite food, said the Gruffalo. You taste good on a slice of bread. Good, said the mouse. Don't call me good. I'm the scariest creature in this world. Just walk behind me, and soon you will see. Everyone is afraid of me. All right, said the Gruffalo, bursting with laughter. You go ahead then, I will follow after. They walked and walked till the Gruffalo said, I hear a shh in the leaves ahead. It's a snake, said the mouse. Why, Snake, hello. Snake took one look at the Gruffalo. Ooh, crumbs, he said. Goodbye, little mouse, and off slid to his log file house. You see, the mouse, I told you. So amazing, said the Gruffalo. They walked some more till the Gruffalo said, I hear a toot in the tree ahead. It's Owl, said the mouse. Why, old Owl, hello. Owl looked in the Gruffalo. Oh dear, he said. Goodbye, little mouse. And off he flew to his tea-top house. You see, said the mouse, I told you so. Outstanding, said the Gruffalo. They walked some more till the Gruffalo said, I can hear feet on the path ahead. It's a fox, said the mouse. Why, Fox, hello. Fox looked at the Gruffalo. Oh, help, he said. Goodbye, little mouse. And off he ran to his underground house. Well, Gruffalo, said the mouse, you see, everyone is afraid of me. But now my tummy is beginning to rumble. My favorite food is Gruffalo crumble. Gruffalo crumble, the Gruffalo said, and quick as the wind, he turned and flew. All was quiet in the deep dark wood. The mouse found the nuts, and the nuts was good. The end. And you are night night.